BrenTV fans. So it's been a while and my party's just over, so I'm gonna do a birthday edition for my tour reviews. First on my Thomas and Friends Trackmaster list, we got James. James is the number 5 red engine and he's the new motorized Trackmasters. Looks like James got a new CGI face. So let's open it up. And what you really want to notice is that there's a little tab, and if you pull that, it will rip open the packaging. Okay, here's the new redesigned Trackmaster James. Shiny, CGI face, the really short tender, and what I really noticed is that on the back it shows all of the characters have black buffers, but James only has red buffers. Mattel really done something to these characters. Anyways, I'm going to show you a quick close-up of the tender. Interesting. Got silver coupling rods. This is really shorter to all of the James tenders. But this one's really small and has silver couplings. Here we have James himself. Pretty cool. And what you want to see here, there's a little tab. If you remove the shell to change the batteries, this runs on 2 AAA batteries. And then there's instructions to put the batteries into your trains. And also has short warning in here. There's supposed to be 2 AAA batteries. And guys, I'll be right back and I'm gonna get a screwdriver and 2 AAA batteries to power up this new Trackmaster James. And hold on for a minute, I'll be right back for a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I got the screwdriver and the batteries. Remember guys, these runs on 2 AAA batteries. Gonna open the new Trackmaster James. So you might want to remove the screw. Here's the shell. And let's rip open the batteries. And the batteries are not included. So remember guys, these run on 2 AAA batteries. And it runs pretty fast. Wow, it's really fast. That's the new redesigned Trackmaster James. And I'm gonna go get the track and let's go test run the new Trackmaster James. Okay guys, I'm back with my new Trackmaster 2 track. And remember, all of these sets are each sold separately. And let's try out the new Trackmaster James and the new Trackmaster track. Pretty fast, huh? And guys, maybe later I'm gonna paint the buffers black and this side too because they're all red. Really, Mattel really done something to these new models. And looks like James is really awesome. Looks like let's finish up the run and we'll finish the video really quickly. And let's see if he goes above. And I really wanna do something to these models, like paint their buffers black, coupling to but this is really nice. This is really fast model. It sounds like it's talking power. Okay guys, that's the new redesigned Trackmaster James. And stay tuned for all of my other birthday edition Thomas and Friends Trackmaster reviews. And make sure you tune into that old show, Thomas and Friends. And I hope you guys enjoy my first Thomas and Friends James Trackmaster and first run. See you guys next time. Bye!